the Hawthorne Effect. In the 1920s and 1930s, a series of productivity experiments were carried out at the Hawthorne Works factory near Chicago, operated by Western Electric. Researchers initially wanted to understand how changes in physical working conditions, particularly lighting levels, affected worker output. What they found was unexpected. Productivity increased regardless of whether the lights were made brighter or dimmer. Further experiments produced similarly puzzling results, with output continuing to rise. The explanation, later formalized by Henry Lansberger in 1955, was that workers were responding to being observed and given attention rather than to any physical change. This became known as the Hawthorne Effect. In the workplace, it suggests that attention and recognition are powerful motivators. In scientific research, it raises serious concerns about observer bias, where participants behave differently simply because they know they are being studied. Retell script. The lecture discussed the Hawthorne Effect, emerging from productivity experiments at the Western Electric factory in Chicago in the 1920s and 1930s. The speaker explained that productivity increased regardless of physical changes because workers were responding to being observed and receiving attention, a finding later formalized by Henry Lansberger. The lecture highlighted two implications. Attention is a powerful workplace motivator, and observer bias is a serious concern in scientific research. Keywords to hit: Hawthorne Effect, Hawthorne Works, Western Electric, lighting experiments, observation, productivity, social attention, Henry Lansberger, observer bias, human relations, workplace management.